Hello and welcome back, everybody. This is Rob. In this video, I am going to show how to make that kind of Yoi talking wobble sound. There was a question on one of the Serum power user message boards about it. And I said, well, it's just, I just answered Bitcrusher, and that's all I said. And that's because what makes that Yoi 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 sound with that wobble, which has really been used quite a bit on a lot of tracks, what really makes that sound is downsampling on a Bitcrusher. And Logic has a very easy to use Bitcrusher. And so what I am going to start with today is, well, let's try it in Serum. Pull up Serum. And let's get a saw wave going here, a couple sounds, a couple voices to widen it out, turn the detune down. Let's turn this down because it will get loud as we progress here, okay? And then what I'm going to do is put on a filter, and I'm just going to pick the let's go with the low pass 24 to start out with, and I am going to use an LFO to the cutoff, and going to have a shorter ramp up and a longer ramp down. Okay, and let's see if this let's see if we can do this. Okay, so let's just go with the Bitcrusher here. Okay, the resolution, I want it to be, not really worried about the resolution, so we can turn that up to 24. Okay, now we need to turn the resonance up, and we should start hearing it here. And let's take it down an octave. Okay. Add a little bit of, make it eighth notes. I think we can turn it up a little bit here. And you just play around with the downsampling. You can turn the drive up here too. And what it does, it kind of changes the formant sound as you're playing around with the downsampling. And you just pick what flavor you want, basically. And what you can do on Serum is you can turn this into an envelope instead of just having it free running or repeating. So you can go. So you can turn your LFO into an envelope. And you can do the same thing with let's pick a, you do the same thing with other synths. Let's pick Sylenth here. We all know that sound, right? Okay. two voices. I'm going to put a little bit of detune on it. Take it down an octave. And then the LFO, I'm going to assign it to cutoff A. Got to pick a filter type, low pass. Let's crank up the resonance. Okay, see where we're at here. Let's see what we got here now. Okay, let's turn that rate down a little bit. And you just basically tune in, again, try to get the flavor you want. So it's not a really hard sound to reproduce, and then it's just basically figuring out how you're going to trigger it, whether you can actually do it with an envelope too, as we just showed in Serum. But the basic sound is caused by the downsampling. Don't ask me why that it does it. I'm sure some scientist could tell you why. But that's the classic way of making a Yoi Wobble bass. And I hope this was informative, and thank you very much for watching. Take care.